some space, I need to breathe. There's too much pain, I need relief. I'm lost inside these shattered dreams. Right now, love's not what it seems. Let me heal, let me find my way. I'm broken now, can't chase love today. We'll talk again when the time is right. For now, I'll face the long, cold night.
I ain't running away, just taking a step back. My heart's been torn and I'm under attack. Need some time alone, need to clear my mind. In this space of silence, I hope to find a way to heal, a way to grow, to fix the pieces that don't show. It's not goodbye, just not right now. I need to find my strength somehow.
Don't take it wrong, this isn't the end. But right now I just can't pretend. My heart's too heavy, my soul's too sore. I need to close this aching door. Maybe someday we'll find our way, but I can't promise love today. I need the time to mend the pain before I find myself again.
Music.
Let me heal, let me find my way. I'm broken now, can't chase love today. We'll talk again when the time is right. For now, I'll face the long, cold night.
It ain't forever, but it's what I need to let go of this hurt, to finally be free. We'll talk about love when I'm whole once more, but for now I'll close that door.
I can still remember the way you smiled, the way you stayed for just a little while. I thought I'd be okay without you near, but now I'm drowning in my own fear. Today I let you go, my heart turned cold. I didn't know your love was gold. Now it's too late, the pain won't fade. I lost the best thing I ever made. That day I let you go, my heart turned cold. I didn't know your love was gold. Now it's too late, the pain won't fade. I lost the best thing I ever made.
I thought I was strong, thought I could stand alone. Now I'm looking back at the seeds I've sown. I let you slip away, didn't fight for us. Now I'm stuck with this pain I can't discuss. Every night I lie awake, replaying the past, wishing for a moment that didn't move so fast. I see your face in every dream I chase, but you're gone and I can't fill that space.
I thought I'd find another, but no one's quite like you. The way you loved me, no one else knew. I should have held on tight, never let you go. Now I'm left with words I'll never show.
I let you go, and now I see you were the one meant for me. I wish I could turn back time, but you're no longer mine.
The day I let you go, my heart turned cold. I didn't know your love was gold. Now it's too late, the pain won't fade. I lost the best thing I ever made.
Now every step feels empty, every breath feels slow. Ever since the day I let you go, I give it all to turn back time, but I can't undo this heart of mine.
Now every step feels empty, every breath feels slow. Ever since the day I let you go, I'd give it all to turn back time, but I can't undo this heart of mine. That day I let you go, my heart turned cold. I didn't know your love was gold. Now it's too late, still in my heart. I never knew distance could tear me apart. I'm here alone, just waiting for a sign, wondering if you're alright, if you're still mine. I wish you were okay, I wish you could stay. Every moment feels like it's slipping away. We're worlds apart, but our love remains. I'll wait for you through all the pain.
Thoughtful, emotional rap. Yeah, I'm out here counting days, counting nights, trying to hold on, but it don't feel right. Wish I could see your face, hear your voice, but this distance makes it feel like I've got no choice. Every call fades, the signal weak, and in the silence it's your name I seek. But I hope you're okay, hope you're doing fine. I'm still here, waiting for you to shine.
I see your face in every dream I make, but when I wake, it's more than I can take. I miss your touch, the way you held me tight, but now it's just the dark of the night. Over the miles, no matter the time, I'll keep you close in this heart of mine. I'll hold on tight, won't let love fade. I'm waiting for the life we've made. I wish you were okay, I wish you could stay. Every moment feels like it's slipping away. We're worlds apart, but our love remains. I'll wait for you through all the pain. I can't promise it's easy, I know it's tough, but our love is stronger. It's more than enough. So I'll keep on waiting through every day, praying, hoping you're okay. Today's the day we've waited for, a love so deep we can't ignore. Hand in hand we'll say I do, a lifetime starts with me and you. This is the day we'll always cherish, a love so strong it'll never perish. We stand as one, hearts intertwined, forever yours, forever mine.
Today's the day we'll always cherish, a love so strong you'll never perish. We stand as one, hearts intertwined, forever yours, forever mine.
Today's the start of something real, a love so pure, you know the deal. We've walked through fire, now we stand tall, side by side, we've conquered it all. The vows we take, the dreams we share, through every moment, you know I'll be there. From this day on, we're never apart, two souls, one life, one beating heart. We've come so far, this journey's just begun. Together we'll shine brighter than the sun. Through every tear, every joy and pain, our love will stand, it'll never wane. We'll build a life, a home so true. Every day I'll choose you. In your eyes I see my dreams. Together forever we're a perfect team. This is the day we'll always cherish, a love so strong it'll never perish. We stand as one, hearts intertwined, forever yours, forever mine. This is the day we'll always cherish, a love so strong it'll never perish. We stand as one, hearts intertwined, forever yours, forever mine.
Yeah, this day is ours, we'll make it last. The future's bright, we're moving fast. With every step, with every kiss, a lifetime of love starts with this. Today's the start of something real, our love's a pure, you know the deal. We've walked the fire, forever mine.
We'll build a life, a home so true. Every day I'll choose you. In your eyes, I see my dreams. Together forever, we're a perfect team. This is the day we'll always cherish. A love so strong, it'll never perish. We stand as one, hearts intertwined. Forever yours, forever mine. This is the day we'll always cherish. A love so strong, it'll never perish. We stand as one, hearts intertwined. Forever yours, forever mine.
Yeah, this day is ours. We'll make it last. The future's bright. We're moving fast. With every step, with every kiss. A lifetime of love starts with this.
I feel your touch in the stillness of the night. In every glance you make the world feel right. We've been through storms, but you're my guiding light. With you love feels like endless skies in flight. Through every beat, our hearts align. A love so deep, it's one of a kind. No need for words, just you and me. In this world, our love's the melody.
Look, I ain't perfect, but I try for you. We've seen the highs, the lows, and pushed through. We built this love brick by brick, hand in hand. A bond so strong no one could understand. We fight, we laugh, we fall, but we rise. Through every tear, you're my prize. No matter what they say, I'll stay by your side. You're the one who makes my world come alive.
You are the calm when my world's out of place. With just one smile, you bring me peace and grace. I hold your heart in my hand so tight. Together we'll conquer the darkest night. Through every scar, every fall, I've got you, love. Through it all, when the world feels heavy and cold, your love's the only warmth I hold. Through every beat, our hearts align. Our love so deep, it's one of a kind. No need for words, just you and me. In this world, our love's the melody.
Yeah, it's you and me against the world, no fear. Our love's a story I'll hold dear. Every beat of my heart is all for you. Through every storm I'll see us through.